Welcome to the local lectures. This is Dharmaji. Today our topic is flow work. Flow work is nothing but the work done on the fluid particle to flow continuously from the control volume is called flow work. It is the work done on the it is the work done on the fluid to maintain continuous flow continuous flow continuous flow through the control volume CV. CV represents control volume. For the detailed explanation, I draw a figure here. This figure represents, this is a pipe, the pipe having control volume here. The boundary constructed by the incontinuous line is called control volume. Here we need to obtain how much of work we need to done on the fluid particle to maintain the continuous flow from the control volume. I assumed piston is arranged here. To apply the force on the fluid particle to move over the control volume. So this is piston. I applied force on the connecting rod here. F stands for applied force. So by applying the force on the connecting rod of the piston, the piston gets displaced. That means the piston done some work on the fluid particle. It results some increment in pressure in the control volume. So for example, by the application of force, the piston moves displaced here. The piston displayed here, moves here. So this is I represent, this is L. L represents displacement of the piston from the initial position. So it results increment in pressure on the fluid particle, so that the fluid particle offers force due to pressure on the piston surface. FP. FP means force due to pressure on the piston. So according to Newton's third law, every force having an equal and opposite force. Okay, so according to Newton's third law, F is equal to Fp. Already according to engineering mechanics, work is nothing but the product of force into displacement. Displacement means here L. Here F is the force applied on the piston, L is the displacement of the piston. The product of F into L gives us flow work. So here F is equal to the force offered by the fluid particle, that is Fp. So it is written as Fp into L, Fp into L. So to obtain force due to pressure, already we know the formula for pressure. Actually, pressure P is equal to force per area. This is the force due to pressure Fp. So from this formula, we obtained Fp is equal to pressure into area of the piston. Okay. So Fp is replaced with pressure into area. L is the length of displacement of the piston. So here area into displacement gives us volume. Area into displacement gives us volume of the fluid that can be displayed while under the action of force. So finally we obtain flow work W is equal to P into pressure of the fluid or pressure of the system and area into length gives us volume of the fluid displayed under the action of force. So finally we got displacement work. Here P stands for internal pressure of the fluid. So Newton per meter square. V stands for volume of the fluid. Units for volume is meter cube. So W stands for flow work. So units for flow work is Newton meter or joules.